Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Yahoo Mail not sending verification code. So first thing that you'd like to check is your internet connection, because if you have a slow connection, then Yahoo Mail will not be able to send you your code. And next thing that you'd like to check is your account information. So you're gonna go here to your profile icon at the top, click on account info, then it will redirect you to this new tab. Then you're going to click on security over here, and you want to double check your email and your phone number. If you're typing in the correct email and phone number, same as what is registered here in your account, because if you've put any typing error while typing in your information, then of course you won't be able to receive the verification code. And if you're trying to get a code via your phone number, most of the time you won't really be able to receive the code via text message. So you'd also want to check your WhatsApp or your Viber, because they also send the codes in those platforms. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.